Need to send money to your loved ones back home in the Philippines quickly and easily? This video will show you how to send money from Worldremit to Gcash, breaking down the process step by step, so you can support your family with confidence. First, open the Worldremit app or visit Worldremit.com. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one with your email and a secure password. Tap on Send To, then choose the Philippines as your destination country. You'll see various payout options, so select Gcash. Now, enter the amount you want to send. Worldremit will clearly display the exchange rate and any applicable fees before you proceed. Next, fill in the recipient's details, including their full name and Gcash mobile number. Double-check this information for accuracy. To avoid any delays, you also need to choose a reason for sending the money, like family support or gift. Choose your payment method, such as a debit card, credit card, or bank transfer. Provide your payment details securely. Review all the details on the summary page carefully. Make sure everything is correct before confirming the transaction. Once confirmed, Worldremit will process your transfer. You and the recipient will receive notifications about the status of the transaction. Transfer times to Gcash are usually very fast, often within minutes. Your family member can then access the funds directly in their Gcash wallet to pay bills, shop online, or even withdraw cash. Remember to check Worldremit's website or app for the latest fees and transfer limits, as these can vary. Now you can easily send money home to the Philippines with Worldremit and Gcash.